Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy a page in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To copy or clone a web page, we need to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new and search here duplicate post. So install this plugin and activate. And now I'm going to my page. I want to make a copy of the contact page. So I'm hovering on contact, and then here you can see a new option has been added, clone. So click on clone. So here you can see I make a copy of my contact page. So this is how we can copy a page in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.